You are going to love the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, remote trunk release, FWD, tires, front all season, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.